And let's go behind your chair for support. Okay, let's go tap side and come back. Tap side with your left and come back. So this is your option 1 when you tap to the side. Option 2, you lift your leg and flex your foot, but you need to be stronger. Stay on your feet. How many fingers do you need on your chair for support? 2, 1. Some people don't have any. Yeah, that's okay. 2, 1 more time. And release and move your hips. Good. Let's go in crescent lunge on the right side of the chair. Right leg in front. Do you remember the difference between a crescent lunge and a warrior 1? Very similar. You don't. That's because you still need me. So crescent lunge, we're going to sit on the ball of your foot at the back. It is a little bit difficult because you don't have your full foot as a base of support. So maybe hold on to your chair a little bit more. Okay? If you don't need your chair as much, use one hand on your chair, one finger on your chair. When you're ready, slowly reach, drop your shoulder. You don't need to bring your arm up. Listen to yourself. Can you sit a little bit lower? Can you breathe? That's it. Do you feel the nice opening in front of your hip? Right there. Hip flexors. Slowly release your arm. Push forward. Please march right away. Okay, let's travel to the left. Same thing. Crescent lunge with your left leg in front. Lift the heart. That's it. When you're ready, yeah. Bring your left arm up, shoulder down. Look straight ahead. Don't look at me or Riley. Fix something somewhere. It's going to help. And slowly release your arm. Push forward to march. And let's go in downward facing dog. You stay behind your chair. Listen to your shoulders. And try to lengthen your legs as much as you can. Bend both knees and walk closer to your chair. In mountain pose, so open your arms, open your legs. You can contract your glutes right there and look straight ahead. You're welcome to close your eyes as well. Make sure you're not feeling dizzy. And slowly release. Bring your legs back together. Let's go on the right side of the chair. Now we're going to do warrior 1. We're going to keep the left heel down on the earth. So hips are square, facing the front of the room. So we're going to push your right hip back a little and bend the front knee. So keeping the heel down. Yeah. So you're welcome to bring your hand in front of your heart. Or both hands in front of your heart. That's it. And if you want, arm up. If you can, both arms up. Again, breathe. Slowly bring your arms, right hand cactus. So one arm or two arms. Yeah. Release your arms and push forward to march. Beautiful. Let's do the same thing to the left. Anytime you're getting tired, because it's our first class for a little while. Please go back seated. Okay, now we're going to bring the left leg in front, left at the back. Keep your heel down. By the way, if your foot is turned too much, you won't be able to turn your hips. When you're ready, bend the front knee, hand in front of the heart. Press your big toe right here on the earth. When you're ready, reach, shoulder down. That's okay. If you lose your balance, you need to catch it back pretty quick. And slowly move your arms, cactus. That's it. Again, opening shoulders and chest. Release your arm, push forward. Please march it out. I'm going to go back to downward facing dog and walk your dog. So press one heel at a time right here on the earth. Feet are parallel to each other. Good. And bend both knees again and walk closer to your chair. In mountain pose, counter stretch. So contract your glutes, look straight ahead. And let's do triceps. So brush your hair, touch your upper back or the back of your neck. And you can push underneath your elbow or go around if you're very flexible. Good. Yeah. Do you feel it? That's your triceps. Do you remember why I need to keep your tricep flexible? What do you do every day? Like that. And release. Wash what? Wash your back. More. Brush your hair. Ah, not bad, huh? Okay, let's switch it up. That's it. So if your triceps are strong and flexible, you're going to stay independent longer. I'm going to keep you young forever. Do you remember? That's it. And release, rotate your shoulders backwards. Can we do a little bit of balance? Curl your right leg. So knees are parallel to each other. We're going to slowly come down and curl up. How many fingers do you have on your chair? Some of you have 20. Okay, multiply by 10. Good. Can we stay up? If you're about to have a cramp in your hamstring, just release your leg. Keep it up. Can you bring one arm up? Oh, I'm asking too much apparently. Can you bring both legs off the floor? No? Oh, come on. Okay, let's go with your left. Yeah. Exhale up. Inhale. That's it. So nice and tall. Lift the chest. 3. 2, she said. And 1, stay up. Optional. Both legs up. So if you bring both arms up, that's because you're looking at me. See, I just lost my balance by looking at you. Slowly bring arms down and release. Again, please move your hips. I'm going to go back in downward facing dog. And this time, I'm just going to hold the stretch, bending my right knee. So I'm bending my right knee, feet are parallel to each other, and push the left hip back. If you're tight, and usually we are, you should feel the stretch, calf, hamstrings. I feel it all the way to my glutes. You feel that? Are you breathing into it? Okay. Bend both knees to release. Inhale. Exhale to switch. Bend your left knee. Lengthen the right as much as you can. Bend both knees. Slowly walk. One more time. Sunshine. Open your arms. Mountain pose. Yeah. Good. And release. Can we do one more? Okay. Even if Anne would have said no, we would have done it anyway. I'm going to do a bird dog. I'm going to bring my right leg up. You're welcome to hinge from the hips and then come back up. Okay? That's your option one. So right leg, hinge from the hips and up. Option two, you're going to bring your opposite arm, so your left arm by your ear, and come back. Good. Okay, so obviously this is harder. And then slowly come back. Ready? Let's go. So slightly bend your knee right here, the standing one. How many fingers again on your chair? Too many. Can we do one more? Do you feel the work? And slowly release. Please move your hips. It's going to help as well to release the tension. Okay. How many legs do we have? Too many. Let's switch it up. Same thing. Shoulders down and back. Hinge from the hips. You're doing just your leg for option one. Option two, you add your right arm. And let's go inhale. Exhale. Keeping the shoulders and your hips parallel to each other. Inhale to extend. Exhale to come back. One more time. Good. And release and move your hips. Now I'm going to stretch your hips. So stay behind your chair. I'm going to come here to show you. I want you to push your right hip out. So my left knee is bent. If you tighten your hip, you should feel it. You feel it? Right arm up and to the left. Do you feel it even more? I know. Inhale up, exhale to release. Let's do the same thing to the left. You're going to push your left hip out. You're going to bend the right leg. Notice the difference between both hips. There's always one tighter. Lift the heart, nice and tall. Yeah, there we go. Optional to bring your arm up and over. Breathe. Oh yeah, there we go. Inhale up, exhale to release, and again move your hips.